It's good to know the most important points in which the Spanish process is different from what you're probably used to. First of all, the Spanish notary and real estate agent have a more limited role in the process and are not concerned with the legality of the house, any potential debts, or the various payments during the process. That is why it's common to hire a lawyer or solicitor who conducts a legal investigation and represents you during the process from the reservation until the final balance meeting. Secondly, in Spain you have to deal with two separate authorities for registering real estate: the Land Registry and the Cadastre. These have different functions and often their data does not match, especially in rural areas. Your lawyer should assess whether any changes are necessary before, during, or after the purchase. Thirdly, the 17 autonomous states within Spain each have their own laws, taxes, and institutions. Therefore, several concepts in this video relate specifically to Andalusia, such as the DAFO-certificate in the countryside, the RTA-rental license, or the ITP-transfer tax. Many potential clients contact our law firm with the happy news that they have bought a house and now need a lawyer, when in reality they only mean that they have reached a verbal price agreement. However, realize that the house is not yours until the purchase deeds at the notary have been signed. Neither the reservation contract nor the private purchase contract can oblige anybody to buy or sell a house. Nevertheless, you can lose your amounts paid up to that point, miss out on your dream home, or end up buying a house with legal problems or debts. There are many anxious buyers who will sign any contract or even title deeds for a sale that are shoved under their nose without even a doubt, which obviously is not wise. On the other hand, there are also people who are too scared by wild cowboy stories on the internet, and that's not necessary either. Surely you can safely buy a house in Spain as long as you know what you're doing. So just take some time to watch this important video to the end to be aware of all aspects in the buying process that you need to pay attention to. On liveinandalusia.com you can then find more detailed information about every subject, and the various links you can find below in the description. By the way, if you are appreciating this video and the information I'm giving you about the Spanish purchase process, then of course I would be very happy if you could push like below.